Boogie, show them how you doing, Boogie.
Hit it, Boogie, hit it.
Boogie, oh my God, I was scared. This truck hit it, Queen. God damn. We don't make no tires spin, Boogie.
Just smash. All right, Boogie driving.
I got this.
I got it. Don't get overconfident now.
Don't get too comfortable, Boogie.
Oh, that mirror's so far. Yeah.
Look, that's my view.
That's his view.
Down in the road.
Okay, Boogie.
Woo! That's what I'm talking about.
That's what I'm talking about, Boogie.
Boogie, oh my God. Boogie said, I'm going to show you how to handle it.
Go right, Boogie. Yeah, I want you to get on the road. I want you to, because you ain't never drove it, right, Boogie?
I drove one time.
Did you?
Look at Quinn, I want you to get on the road.
Girl, I want you to
where
hit
we
it.
going?
Just to the right, make it right to light.
Okay.
I want you to hit it, though, Boogie, going down here now.
Yo, this is crazy. I'm so tickled. Boogie, show them how you doing, Boogie.
Hit it, Boogie, hit it.
Woo!
Y'all done scared that car so bad, you know.
What car?
That car right there.
Oh, that car.
Slow down, Boogie. That's a no. That's a no. Okay, that's it.
You felt the kick in, Boogie?
Yes, we felt it. That's it. Okay, turn it in. That's it. That's enough, Boogie. Oh my God, I was scared.
You scared me? What you?
Yes, this truck hit it, Queen. God damn. Why ain't go this fast, that Queen?
I got a tune on it.
Oh my goodness. That was too far.
You ain't do nothing.
Boogie,
Boogie, I gotta let you go again when they ain't in here, Boogie.
Yeah, when I ain't in here, Queen. Yeah, you can do it again when I'm not in here. No, I'm telling you, because that was good. You did good, son. That's fun though.
I think he got to about 40.
That's it.
That was it. Everything was like, what, 40, Boogie?
Yeah, I'm like 40.
Oh my goodness, I thought you had really got up there. Well, I felt like we were going so fast.
Like we jerked.
Boogie, that's it right there. Drop me. That's it. That's park. That's it. We did good. I ain't got to drive no more. That's it.
You don't want to drive, Mom?
You don't want to drive people? You say you want to take her out of the block.
I done did it before. We good. I done did it before. The kids had their turns, and so we good.
But you got my mama street, hit it, Boogie.
Look at Boogie. There's a car right there.
Nah, well, he gonna get out the way. Make the tire spin.
Oh, please don't. Hold
on, Boogie, turn it, get it straight. You can make it spin. Get it straight,
like
Boogie.
how you gonna make the tire
Boogie,
spin?
don't make no tire spin, Boogie.
Just smash it.
It's a car right there.
A car?
Let me out. That's good. Boy, this was off the chain. That's it. That was off the chain.
I'll park it, Boogie.
I'm not driving.
Are you? It is. Hey, P, you might open my door. You might open the back door. Ooh, that's funny. That's funny.
No, Queen.
People, you sure you don't want to drive it?
No.
What?
We did good.
Ooh. Oh, that's funny. Oh God, that's funny. It's fun getting to share the truck. That's the whole thing, man. When you get something like this, guys, you know what I'm saying? When you get the opportunity to, I ain't gonna say this truck, it's just a truck, right? But a lot of people don't really get the chance to experience driving a lifted truck. So when you get the opportunity just to share that with people, you know what I'm saying? It's fun to see other people reaction to it, you know, and it's tuned, so it's pretty fast. A lot of people don't think how fast it is to be the size, but it's pretty quick. So anyway, man, yeah, it's just fun sharing it with other people and let somebody else experience it, you know. But anyway, man, hope y'all enjoyed those videos. Real quick, those were both my cousins driving it, both from Mississippi driving the truck. So anyway, I'll catch y'all on the next one. It's your boy Q. Peace.